In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix Hogwarts Legacy missing Emp.dll on your Windows 11. So let's get started. The first thing that we need to do is to go to the Windows search bar and type CMD. Click Run as Administrator on the right pane and type SFC space / scan now. Scan now is just one word and there is no space in between. Hit enter. The system scan will begin, so simply wait for the process to be 100% completed. And once the process is completed, just simply type exit in the command prompt window and restart. Next method, check first your system type. So go to the Windows search bar and type system info. Click on it under the best match. Take note of your system type and then simply open a browser. Search for Visual C++ Redistributable and hit enter. Click on the first option. Scroll down and simply click the download link corresponding to your system type. Click on the folder icon. And then double click on it. Check this box. I agree to the license terms and conditions and simply install the Visual C++ on your Windows 11. Okay? Then once done, go to the Windows search bar or simply click on the start button and go to settings. Then click on the option Windows Update on the left pane and simply click the button right here to check for all the available updates for your Windows 11. So that's it. And I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.